Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily disable chat heads on Messenger. Just follow along with this quick video until the end. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the three-line icon. Next, tap on the Messenger settings icon. You'll now be on your profile page. Scroll down to the Preferences section, where you'll find several options. Locate the Chat Heads option, and you'll see a toggle button next to it. To disable chat heads, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, you won't see those small chat bubbles popping up when new messages arrive. If you ever want to enable chat heads again, just return to this settings page and toggle it back on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.